you, respected parents, teachers, and my dear students. It is my privilege to present the annual report of Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimnagar for the academic year last session 2024-25. This year has been marked by remarkable achievements in academics, sports, cultural activities, scientific innovation, and holistic development programs. First of all, academic achievement, I feel proud to announce that we got 100% result in both the classes, class 10th and 12th board classes. Achievement in sports, the students excelled at the national and regional sports meet, winning medals in skating, kho-kho and hockey. Master Visru of class 11 represented our Vidyalaya at the national career sports meet in skating and won one gold medal and two silver medals at regional level and brought pride to the school. Under 14 boys hockey team won bronze medal at regional career sports meet. Under 14 and under 17 team secured fourth position in kho-kho at regional level, and Master Rishi Kumar got selected for the National KVS Sports Meet. The annual sports day encouraged mass participation and nurtured the spirit of fitness and fair play. As far as cultural events, victories of the students in national and regional cultural competition in classical dance, folk singing and art made our Vidyalaya proud. Kumari Deepika and Akshaya won first position in cluster level and regional level Rashtriya Ekta Parv Kala Utsav in the traditional storytelling and participated in the national level Rashtriya Ekta Parv. Kumari Dhamalsri won first position in 2D art in cluster level and second position at regional level Rashtriya Ekta Parv Utsav. The inter-house cultural events conducted all through the year provide proper platform to showcase talents of our students in music, theatre and art. Our Vidyalaya hosted cluster level Rashtriya Ekta Parv EBSD and Kala Utsav, a mega event efficiently and successfully from last 2 years, and this year 9 schools, approximately 250 participants from the other 9 KVs of Hyderabad region participated. The school assembly every morning in itself is a mini cultural event that promotes and nurtures the cultural, social and scientific potential of our students. As far as science and innovation, राज्य स्तरीय बाल वैज्ञानिक प्रदर्शनी that is RSDVP 2025 with the theme STEM for Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat was organized at school level, and 2 projects are selected for the KVS regional science exhibition. 2 projects on sustainable energy systems was selected for the Priyas National Science Exhibition. 3 students of our Vidyalaya have excelled in VVM Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. 2 students secured second position at district level, and 1 student, Kumari K. Srinitha, got selected for state level. 2 students, Master Abhiram and Master Pranav, got selected for the national level Inspire Award and received rupees 10,000 each for development of prototype of their innovation. A record of 146 students from class 3 to 12 have participated in Green Olympiad, and we are expecting a good number of gold and silver certificates and cash award. The Science Club organized workshop, quizzes, Olympiad and model making sessions to ignite scientific curiosity. As far as KVS flagship program and initiative, successful implementation of KVS flagship programs such as Swachhata Abhiyan, Fit India Movement, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, Bhasha Sangam, FLN, Bala, toy-based pedagogy, in-stream, values of cleanliness, fitness, foundational education, innovative pedagogy, and national integration. Active participation in the PM Shri program, as you know that the Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimnagar is a PM Shri school focusing on sustainability, digital learning and holistic education. Regular PTM collaboration between home and school ensuring student progress and well-being. As far as our teacher development, all our the teachers are well qualified and trained, conducted continuous professional development workshop for teachers on innovative pedagogy, ICT integration and classroom management. Training session enhance teachers' skill in digital tools, assessment strategy and inclusive education. Community and environmental initiative, our school organized a soil health testing program in collaboration with the local agencies, Kisan Vikas Kendra, promoting awareness of sustainable agriculture and environmental responsibility. Students participated in plantation drive and eco club activities to foster environmental stewardship. As far as student support and guidance, regular guidance and counseling sessions conducted by us address academic, emotional and career-related concern of students. Special session on stress management, exam preparation and career choices empowered students to make informed decisions. As far as the digital and technical upgradation, we upgraded classroom with a smart board, projector and digital learning platform to enhance teaching learning experience. Now we have all the classrooms are the smart classrooms with the facility of interactive panel. Installed CCTV cameras in all the classrooms and other areas of school building for safety and security of the students. Strengthened the school's IT infrastructure, ensuring seamless access to e-learning resources and online assessment. Vocational lab is constructed in this school to introduce coding, robotics, AI module, innovative projects to prepare students for future technological challenges. The academic year 2024-25 has been a year of growth, innovation and achievement. With a workforce of 36 teaching staff and strength of total 150 students, 437 boys and 430 girls students, we have excelled in diverse fields. Our teachers have embraced continuous learning and our community has supported every initiative wholeheartedly. As we celebrate these milestones, let us continue to uphold the values of Kendriya Vidyalaya and strive for excellence in the years ahead. Thank you, Jai Hind.